Yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Ariel Ferrarian Vlog as Kaking Koy TV, guys. For today's video, guys, so ngayon guys, meron tayong grapes. So habang mura ang grapes ngayon guys, gagawa tayo ng grape wine. So napaka-excited akong gagawa tayo ng homemade grape wine, guys. So ngayon gagawin natin, magtimbang tayo ng 1 kilong grape. Yan, seedless to grape, guys, actually. Yan, napakasarap tong grapes na to. So, habang mura pa ang grape ngayon, guys, gagawa tayo ng grape wine. So, yan. So, susubukan natin. Gagawa kung successful pang gagawin natin, guys. Alright, so nakatimbang na tayo ng 1 kilo ng grape. So, unang-una, guys, gagawin natin. Yan, i-mash to maya-maya lamang i-mash natin to, guys. Alright, guys, so okay, so ganito ang step natin, guys. Yan, susubukan natin. Yan, nililinis natin, guys. Yan, lalagyan natin ng konting salt. Yan, 1 kutsarang salt, guys. Yan, pampalinis mo niya, ililinis mo natin, guys. At tapos konting flour lang, guys. Yan, isang kutsara ding flour. Yan ang nakikita natin sa sa ibang gumagawa nito, guys. So, subukan natin kung meron ba tayong successful na grape wine. So, right, lagyan natin ng tubig, guys. Yan, mamaya lamang i-give natin ng at least 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Yan, para, yan, palinis natin at saka pagkatapos huhugasan natin ng, tap water, guys. Alright, so, pagkatapos ng nililinis natin, guys, ayan, pinamash natin gamit ng ating kamay. Alright, yan, tinitimbang natin, guys. Lagyan natin asukal. 200 grams. Yan, inalagay natin ng 200 grams na asukal, guys. Yan, actually matamis na naman ang grapes. Pero, lagyan pa rin natin ng asukal, guys. Yan, kasi yan ang gagawin natin. Gagawin natin fermentation natin to, guys. Yan. So, i-mash muna natin. Yan, maya-maya lamang, guys, ilalagay natin sa jar. Yan, okay. So, yan, minamash pa hanggat lumalabas ang katas ng grapes. Yan, tingnan nyo, guys, napakasarap, guys. So, akala ko ba walang buto, guys? Meron palang buto ang iba, guys. So, yan. So, it's okay. Okay lang yan, guys, pag may buto, at least, yan, ilagay natin sa 2 jar lang ang nagamit natin, guys. 2 jars. So, guys, i-leave natin for 3 days. So, actually, gumagawa kami ng 8. So, August 8 pa to, guys. So, matatapos ng August 11. Tingnan natin, guys, kung ano mangyari after 3 days. Yan. Alright. So, ilagay natin sa jar. Ilagay natin para hindi natin malimutan. 3 days after, titingnan natin kung anong mangyari. Tama lang, guys. Yan, no? So, now, after 3 days, guys, ito na ang nangyari, guys. Ayan. So, yan, kinuha natin ang katas lang ng grapes, guys. So, ang katas lang ang kinukuha ng grapes. So, actually, 3 days na to, guys. So, after 3 days, tingnan natin, additional 4 days. Ayan, guys. So, itong 3 days na to, guys, yan, kinuha na natin ang sinistrain na natin, guys. Katas na yan, guys. So, after nito, guys, dagdagan natin ng 4 days pa ulit para medyo masarap daw to, guys, after 4 days, guys. Yan. Okay, hintayin natin, guys. Yan, additional 8:15 na siya, guys. Yan. So, ayan, August 15, matatapos na yan siya, guys. Yan, kung anong, ayan. So, ito na, guys. So, August 15 na, guys, na-transfer na natin sa titikman na natin. It's yan, finished product na to guys. Yan. So yan ang grape wine. Natapos na ang 15. Yan, 15 na guys. So ngayon, tikiman challenge na. We have to taste. Wow, so delicious. Try nyo sa. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.